Begin learning the computer. It seems almost impossible to imagine anyone in today's society who isn't born knowing how to use a computer, but there are many people in the world who don't know what to do with such a machine. The most basic beginning to learning how to use a computer is to turn it on. This may seem silly, but for some, this can be easier said than done, especially since all computers may work slightly differently. After you've got the computer on, you've got to become familiar with the mouse. Whether there is a touchpad mouse or an actual clicking mouse to the right of the computer, you have to be used to how it moves and works. It is the basis for all computer functions. You also need to study the various keys on the computer and learn which ones are important and which ones you definitely shouldn't touch. Find where the volume button is, the enter key, the delete button, the headphone jack, the CD drive, and the USB ports. These will all be useful eventually. Once you're relatively comfortable with how the mouse and various buttons function, you need to find out what kind of software you have. Most computers should have an internet provider, a word processor, a photo program, and some games. These are enough programs to start with, and you can add more as you get more comfortable and discover your needs. Click on the various programs and work your way through them, finding out what different buttons do and what you can accomplish through the program. You'll probably also want to familiarize yourself with how to personalize the computer. You can learn how to change the background photo on the computer or tweak the screensaver. You can also practice saving various things on the desktop, creating organizational folders for photos and documents, and emptying the trash bin when you've deleted things. These are some general ideas of computer skills to get you started. It's not really difficult to learn how to use a computer, though it may seem too technologically advanced for you to even touch it. However, given some time and practice, you'll grow confident with using the machine and find that it's a very useful part of your life. It's helpful when learning how to use the computer to have an experienced user guiding you. This will ensure you don't make any mistakes or do anything that will mess the computer up. If you have a friend or family member who can help you, ask for their help. If not, however, don't be terrified. You can learn the ropes of a computer on your own without blowing anything up, and remember, if you get extremely confused about anything, visit the internet. You can learn how to do just about anything right there.